pool balls. But no pool table. Smallest kitchen island in the world. Packed full of stuff. Cupboards. Loads of pans, pots, pans, everything. What is that? What is that? Sugar. That's a lot of sugar. What is this? I don't... What's going on here? What's that for? That's weird. Two things. Cups, glasses, plates, stuff. What's going on here? Tea? What's that? Little fridge. Not a lot in it, some water in it. Calendar for looks like recycling. I don't know. Plants. Bathroom. Basic shower. Towels. As many towels as you like. Utility room. A lot of cleaning stuff in here. Washer, dryer. Well kitted out. Some cushions there, looks like for outside. Outside there's table, chairs. Nice little garden. Let's have a walk down here. Nice little patio area for sitting out. Wait a minute. What's that about? Interesting. Alright. Inside. Turn that light off, save the electric. Let's take a look upstairs. So, quite narrow stairs on these townhouses, but very nice. Is there a light? There is. Alright, have a look up these steep steps. Yeah. Room number one. Alright, not bad. Nice view of the roof. Coffee, baby. Some artwork, I guess. Next room. Kiddo's room. There's the world. And there's the planets. Two beds in here. Loads of books, loads of kids' stuff. What's this? Is that open? It looks like another bed. It's a very nice neighbourhood. Very quiet neighbourhood. All right. Some more artwork in here. Butterflies. Nice view of the scaffolding going on next door. We open that, which, wait a minute, you can't, oh wait, there's. To the final floor, floor 2. These stairs, actually, wait a minute, I'll show you. These stairs are actually quite steep. Look. Can you see? And it goes through a little space. But it's actually a really good bedroom, this. Digging this. So we've got like, this is held by like a trapdoor, held by some cable. Look at this. And down there. Some kind of weight system. Is that? You wouldn't want that to drop on your head. Going down there, but it's quite cool. Nice view out of here. All right. Let's see if we can go back down. Don't catch your neck on that. Old school. So this is definitely an Airbnb. It's not a hotel. It's not polished around the edges. It's like a proper house. You get the experience of being in Bruges, which is what it's all about. So this house was actually a bit of a bargain. It's around about 150, 160, maybe £70 a night, depending on what night. For a 3-bedroomed house, it's about a 10-15 minute walk into the centre, like the centre. Everything's old in Bruges. All the neighbourhoods are really beautiful, really nice, well, the ones that I've seen. So yeah, can't go wrong, absolute bargain.